moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. A fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinballs are made from 2 solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, Spinballs also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinner's iOS and Android apps. We could spend hours exploring all the different light effects and colors which can be created by this wonderful toy. We have spent more than 10 months with developing, designing, testing and prototyping to bring this toy to perfection. We have looked into every detail and we have been working hard together with our suppliers to ensure only the best materials are used. The result is an amazing and exceptional toy for spin lovers and everyone else who is fascinated by the simplicity of light and speed or wants to bring back childhood memories. Help us to bring this toy to life. Support us now and become
gosh, that's so cool!
Anti-stress relief. What? It's a flying fidget spinner. You're able to just let it go?
What?
Where were you during the craze of the fidget spinners? This, again, was sent to us. I feel like this is probably the most ingenious fidget spinner that there is, but probably potentially the most annoying one, right? Because fidget spinners already really annoy people. Yeah. Like, whenever I would just use one, they'd be like, oh, can you stop? Can you stop? Like, your fidgeting is fidgeting me. But we'll find out. Add to cart. Look at that, dude. Guys, give this video a like if you want to see me do a giveaway of some of these things, because we have, like, what? Like 1, 2, 3, 4? We got 4 of them. We're already doing a giveaway in this video, but I got a lot of these things, evidently. Just click like. That way I'll know if you guys want these. All right, let's see this. Gosh. So you're supposed to spin it like that.
It looks clean just as a fidget spinner.
It does. How do you turn it on now? Oh, there's a little switch right here. Is that on? Oh, seems like it's on.
It goes the other way.
Dude, no joke. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool!
I'm challenged with the fidget spinner because a lot of people can just do that with a regular fidget spinner. This is a good way to kind of like be in between, you know?
Yo!
That's the only issue is that they're still a little bit hard to catch, and if you drop it, it seems like it gets a little faulty. So check this out. Ready?
Whoa!
Yeah, dude. See?
That's amazing.
That's why. Look at that, dude. Oh! Okay. Oh. That was you, dude. That was on you.
It hit my hand.
You were
It hit
like
my
this
hand.
and then smacked it, and I was like, woo!
Wait, it went down. Did
You
see
threw it
it?
upside down.
Wait, I didn't know there's a right side up and downside down.
It's pushing air this way, and he throws it like it's gonna go up.
I wasn't sure when I did that. Okay.
Oh, you caught it!
Oh.
The thing about this is that it runs out of battery a little quick, but you can do it. And after just a teeny little bit of practice, I was able to do it. I would say arguably way more fun than a normal fidget spinner. I'm gonna say it's tasteful. See that video right there?
You got it. You kind of grabbed that one.
50年前ぐらいに学校の授業中に万年筆のキャップを転がして遊んでた人たちがね、大勢いたらしいんです。それを見た佐藤俊夫さんというクラフト作家がおもちゃに作り変えたんですね。そのおもちゃに僕は出会って、アレンジを加えて現在のモクルという姿になりました。自分で遊び方をどんどん無限に開発できるっていうところがいいところだと思ってます。やればやるだけ上手になる。これはまさにスポーツなんではないか。これはデスクトップスポーツだと、そういうふうに思い命名しました。まず初心者の方は左右に1回転がして押さえるということができたらいいと思います。次にですね、前後左右の動き、あるいは2回転転がして押さえる、あるいは早く転がす、そのようなことになります。ここから先はですね、技を繰り出せるようになると思うんですが、2本を使ったりですね、両手でやったり、あるいは自分で考えた持ち上げる技であったりとか、そういうことが楽しめると思います。2人でキャッチボールみたいに生き生きさせたりとか、転がし続けて先にダメになった方が負けというゲーム性を持たさせたりとか、そういうような楽しみ方ができます。モクルは自分で遊びを考える喜び、その技を練習してできた時の喜び、さらにそれを世界中のみんなとシェアする喜び、そんな楽しさがたくさん詰まっているいいおもちゃです。ぜひ皆さん、モクルで楽しんでください。